Sapphire Gamer, and today I'm opening my gift from my cousin, and this one is acrylic markers and a sketchbook. So we're going to start opening this sketchbook. It's easy if you open it if you have scissors. So here's how I open it. So I cut the edges, the plastic wrap. So unwrap it. And this is a sketchbook. This one is an Ebby Van sketchbook, ideal for final drawings, acid-free, smooth surface, nature white sheet, virtually bleed-proof, and it's usable for pencil, pen, and markers. And it has 60 sheets. Ooh, very nice. Alright, next up, the big one. This is a transmit, and this one has lots and lots of markers inside. So let's open that up. Here it is. This is the big one. The big one inside of it. It's so huge. So let's unzip it and see what's inside. And abracadabra. Oh! Look at all the markers. And this must be a sheet of all the color markers, acrylic markers. They are so amazing. And look at all of these markers. All kinds. So cool. So amazing. They're like a lot of markers. Like 50. They're about like all kinds of markers inside. It's so cool. Today I want to say thanks to my cousin at the chai for giving me these markers, and now I can use them on my sketchbook. So thank you for watching my unboxing video. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more Genshin videos, Honkai Star Rail with Moon Waves, and much more. And be sure to subscribe to my second channel. It's Chelsea's World, aka that's me. Bye.